Hi there! Amazon is on fire, and here is the newly launched Echo Show 5. Now this has a 5.5-inch color display, a camera, speakers. So for those of you who don't know, Amazon Echo devices are smart speakers that play music and control your smart devices at your home or office. They already have an Amazon Echo Show 10, which is actually for 23,000, but here is a super budget version for just 8,999 with all the same features. In this video, we're going to unbox it. We're going to see how it controls smart devices. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Echo Show 5. You can see there's a color display in the front. On the bottom right is far field voice control, which means it'll hear you even from a distance. On the left side, you can see thousands of supporting skills: Amazon Prime, Savan, Hangama, Aajtak, Zomato, Siska, lots of them. On the back of the box, you can see it plays videos, movies. You can even check on your baby with the help of CCTV cameras or anywhere else. You can make video calls also using the Amazon Echo Show 5. On the other side of the box, you see Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line, built-in camera cover. And the retail packaging price is 8,999. All right, let's quickly open this. Inside the box, you have the Echo Show 5, some paperwork and instruction manual, and a power cord. So let's have a closer look. So first, let's look at the back. Here's the speaker, I believe, and this is a beautiful speaker grill. It's got this lovely white texture. And on the back, there are some ports. This is the 3.5 audio headphone jack. This is a micro USB port, and here is the power source. Below, you see this is this rubberish finish and rubber plate. This is so that when you place it on the table, it doesn't shake or vibrate when the music is playing. Here is the speaker grill below. All right, on the top, you can see there are some buttons. So this button is to mute it. So when you plug this, you press this, it won't be able to hear you if you press the mute button. This is volume down, volume up, and this is for the camera. There you go. So actually the white color, when it covers, totally blends as if there's no camera in the front. It shows you red that the camera is being blocked. And of course, right in the front, you see the big screen. This is a 5.5-inch display. All right, looks nice. Let's power this on and see. The setup process is fairly simple. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, enter Amazon credentials, some basic steps, and you're ready to go. And finally, the setup is complete. I've put my own picture as a wallpaper. You can do that from the Alexa app on your mobile phone. The first button on the top you see is the mute button, which means now the camera and the mic is turned off. So even if I say Alexa, it will not hear. When you turn it off and you say Alexa, there'll be a blue line. That means now it's listening. Alexa, go home. Go home means it will always get you on this main wallpaper page. Now when you slide from the top, you can choose to go from home here. You can choose to decrease the brightness or increase the brightness as per your personal preference. Do not disturb, so you will not receive any notifications or updates. And then you go into settings. You can connect to Bluetooth network, which is the Wi-Fi that is being connected. Home clock customize. So from here you can change more other wallpapers and the clock design. Clock face. Here you can change the clock positions. There are so many. I'm just going with what is already set. Then you go to show date, or you want to show weather. And if you come down to modern, you can choose these watch faces. These are in the modern option. I'll show you some more. Playful. There you go. Whatever wallpaper. So like I'm going back home, this will take me to the wallpaper that I have selected. Okay, coming on this side, and it'll show you Discover Alexa. It'll show you open Uber, how can I link my photos, play songs, reviews, how's the weather. Coming back, here's music. So this is going to show you the recently played music. This is the recent played playlist that I have been playing on my Alexa. Let's play some music. Alexa, play Arijit Singh songs.
Shuffling songs by Arijit Singh on Amazon Music.
Unfortunately, we cannot play the audio track because of copyright issues, but as you can see, the lyrics are displayed on the screen which move in sync with the track. Talking about the sound quality, it's really good. The audio is rich and clear. The bass though is very minimal but quite okay. The 10-watt speaker gets really loud. Then moving on to videos, you'll have an option to play Amazon Next, Amazon Movies, Amazon TV shows. Let's play something. Okay, we just go with Kesari. So now Amazon Prime Videos is playing on the Echo Show 5. And as you can see, it's actually quite clear and pretty watchable. Coming to the display, this is a 5.5-inch 960 by 480 pixels LCD display. Though the resolution isn't high, the images don't look pixelated. The colors are not very saturated, but the blacks are deep. So here's a quick demo of how you can control smart lights. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the color of the lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the color of the lights to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the color of the lights to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, turn down the brightness of the lights to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the brightness of the lights to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Now let's have a quick demo of the CCTV camera. Alexa, show office camera. So this is actually a CCTV camera outside the main door of my house. You can rename it to whatever. This was previously my office camera, so the name has remained the same. There you go. Now this is right outside my apartment, and as you can see, I can see from anywhere I want. Alexa, stop. So here's a demo of playing the Fire TV stick with the Amazon Echo Show 5. Alexa, open Bharat on Fire TV stick.
Getting Bharat from Prime Video.
Alexa, forward Fire TV by 5 minutes. Alexa, pause Fire TV. Alexa, forward movie on Fire TV by 15 minutes. Alexa, search for Spider-Man on Fire TV.
Getting Spider-Man from Fire TV.
Alexa, play Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse on Fire TV.
Getting Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse from Prime Video.
Alexa, forward by 15 minutes on Fire TV. So the Echo Show 5 is an amazing device. As you saw, you can pair it with multiple smart home devices. It has a 10-watt speaker and the sound output is really good. It has a front-facing camera which can be turned off and on for privacy issues, and same for the microphone. You can turn it on or off when you don't want it to listen, and of course there are many smart switches and devices available in the market that pair and work perfectly well with the Alexa family. So in my conclusion, the Echo Show 5 is value for money. It plays your songs, it plays videos, it plays movies, it shows you your CCTV camera on the Echo 5 screen, it has camera for video calls, it has interactive skills. It's absolutely amazing. Just the perfect device for your work desk or bedside table. So if you want to buy one, I'll leave the links in the description. Do check them out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. Also, if there are any questions regarding the Echo Show 5, do put them down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.